guys, this is Kimberly. Nice to meet you all. Welcome to my video. Today I'm gonna show you 3 wigs, the long wavy pattern lace front wigs. I wonder if you guys can tell the difference. These are all the same style in different part. You can tell the difference or no? This is how it looks. It has a mini volume. Look at this. I love this, the tension. And elastic waves. I love this wavy volume. This is how it looks. So pretty. I love this, the wavy pattern, the volume. So it looks very gorgeous. These are made of 100% human hair, which is virgin Remy hair. And this color is natural color. And this color is 613, which means platinum blonde. The tone is very light. And this color is jet black, the darkest black. So it comes just full color, natural color, 1, 1B, and 613 colors. I love this way it goes. And this one, this is unprocessed hair because this is a natural color, so you can dye, bleach, perm, everything you want. And 613 color, that means that one already bleached it, so you don't need to bleach again. So you can put the colors right away. And each of these has different style caps. So let's start to take a look in the details. This is the one already parted like this. It has right side part. So it has lace part like this, 3.5 inches long. It's not that deep, but I like it. And it has one comb at the front side and one comb at the nape side. An adjustable band right here. And the lace is very thin and soft. And it has open breathable cap. It's very stretchable. So you cannot part any way you want because this is the one already parted. So next one is free part. It has ear to ear lace front. So it has same texture of the lace, but it has 4 inches wide lace front. So you can part any way you want. And it has non-slip grips all the way through the ear-to-ear hairline. And 2 combs at the front side and 1 comb at the nape side. An adjustable band as well. And it has same breathable cap. And their silk base layer is coated on both ear tabs. It's very soft. And the last one, it has silk base protective cap. Look at this. It's not open cap, it's closed cap. So this is the main difference. But it's sturdy and stretchable as well. I love these stitches. There are 2 combs at the front side and 1 comb at the nape side. An adjustable band right here. And this is the reason why this wig costs more. It has silk at the front. This is not a lace. It's the silk, so it doesn't make any itch scalp or any distress. It has silk base all the way through this forehead line, both ear tab as well. So it's very softer and smoother than the other ones. So if you get these wigs, you won't regret this. And when you style this, it's very easier than other wigs do. So you can style like this. Look at this. How gorgeous it is. Or you can pin it up, the whole hair, like this. Or you can just drop it just one direction like this. So pretty. Okay, it's time to wrap up. Thank you everyone for watching my video. See you soon. Bye.